Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Black Ops 7 not installing from Xbox app.
Fix 1. Restart Xbox App Services Step 1. Press 1 plus R, type Services, MSC, and hit Enter. Step 2. Find these services. Gaming Services, Xbox Accessory Management, Xbox Live, Auth Manager, Xbox Live Networking Service. Step 3. Right, click each, restart. Fix 2. Reset Xbox App and Microsoft Store. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Step 2. Select Xbox App, Advanced Options, Reset. Step 3. Do the same for Microsoft Store. Fix 3. Clear Delivery Optimization Cache. Step 1. Go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options. Step 2. Select Delivery Optimization, Advanced Options. Step 3. Click Clear Cache. Fix 4. Change Xbox App Installed Drive. Step 1. Open the Xbox app. Step 2. Go to Profile, Settings, General. Step 3. Under Game Install Options, select a different drive. Step 4. Try installing BO7 again. Fix 5. Log into Xbox App. Step 1. In Xbox App, Profile, sign out. Step 2. Sign back in. Step 3. Restart PC and try downloading again.